Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Obsidian, Logseq, and ROM. Obsidian, Logseq, and ROM research are all popular tools for personal knowledge management or PKM and note taking, but they have unique strengths depending on how you like to work. Obsidian is great if you want full control over your notes. It stores everything in local Markdown files, meaning you own your data and can access it offline anytime. It's highly customizable with plugins, themes, and community add-ons. Obsidian is perfect for people who love building a personal knowledge graph with backlinks and connecting ideas visually. But it might feel a bit technical at first if you're not used to configuring apps. Logseq is similar to Obsidian but takes a more outliner-based approach. It's ideal if you like working in bullet points and nested lists, like a digital notebook where everything's structured hierarchically. It also uses local Markdown files and supports backlinks and queries. Logseq is great for daily notes, task management, and building connected ideas in a more structured format. It's a good middle ground between flexibility and unorganization. ROM research introduced the concept of bi-directional linking and daily notes to many users. It's cloud-based and emphasizes linking ideas as you write, creating a web of interconnected notes without needing to organize everything manually. ROM is very fluid and encourages exploration of your ideas, but it comes with a subscription fee and your data is stored online. In my opinion, if you want maximum control, local storage, and flexibility, Obsidian is the best choice. If you prefer an outline-based style and structured notes, Logseq is better fit. And if you want an always online, frictionless way to thoughts as you go, ROM is worth considering, especially if you don't mind the cost. Each tool fits a different workflow depending on how you think and take notes. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.